Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send high quality images on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, simply go ahead, first of all access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now let's go ahead and go back, and here in the chat section you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? First of all, tap on the user to whom you would like to send. Now tap on this message icon and tap on plus. Now tap on this photos option. Now go ahead, choose yourself a picture, and right over here you can see the plenty of options on top, right? You will find this option of HD on top. Go ahead, tap on it, choose HD quality, delete this first, and once you're done, tap on this send option, and now this picture has been sent with an HD resolution right over there on WhatsApp. You can choose to do that for any other pictures that you will like by simply tapping on this plus, tap of photos, and before sending make sure to toggle on that HD option and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.